Yes, a very good evening once again. Uh, we had we had started with partitive articles in the last class, which we could not finish. So in today's class, rather than me jumping into continuation, I would unmute one person and that person will explain how much ever we completed in the last class. All right. You will explain why partitive articles are used, what are partitive articles, and the exceptions. I think these are the three things we covered in the last class. So, who would like to go ahead? Who wants to explain? Anybody? Okay, the first question. Why are partitive articles used? Anybody? Why do we use partitive articles? Okay, very good. Isha says for food stuff. Partitive article is used. Okay, okay. So, very good. You all are correct. Partitive articles are used to indicate food items. When you want to describe something, some food item, when you want to say you had some water, you had some pizzas, or you drank some water, yes, something related to food or beverages. In those kind of sentences we will always use partitive articles. Partitive articles mean a part of something. Okay, for example, I have a bottle in front, so I may drink some water. Pura bottle, pura pani nahi khatam ho jayega at one go. I will have some water. So some water matlab we don't know how much. Thoda sa. Okay, the low. Yes, very good, Shivani. So the quantity is not very specific. It could differ from person to person. Okay, for me it could be little bit. For Palak it may be even a little more. For somebody else it could be half a bottle and so on. So the quantity may vary from person to person. We don't know how much exactly it would be. So we can call it as some water. Some. Okay, that's the quantity is not specific. It will vary from person to person. Some water is just an example. There could be many more sentences. Now, before we go ahead with other sentences, what are the list of partitive? What is the list of partitive articles? Anyone up for that? For the masculine, okay. Put in the chat for the masculine singular. What is the partitive article? Masculine singular. Very good, Shivani, Ved, Manasvi, Aldrin, Isha. Very good. For the feminine singular, very good, Palak. Very good, Shivani, Ved, Isha, Palak, Manasvi. Great. So the due is for the masculine singular one, the la is for the feminine singular one. What about the vowel clash? When the vowels clash, very good. Very, very good. Correct. So far, everyone is correct. And the last one for plural, very good. Very, very good. DES for the plural. So I repeat, DU for masculine singular, the la for feminine singular, DEL apostrophe is used for a vowel, and DES is used for a plural word. Okay, DU masculine singular, the la feminine singular, DEL apostrophe for the masculine one, DEL apostrophe for the vowel one, and DES for the plural. I'll display the same thing over here. Here is the list due with the example due cafe. The la beyond, DEL apostrophe the wheel, and they pom. The example with the sentence is also given below. En prepare le gâteau avec des œufs, du lait, du sucre, du beurre et de la farine. So you see with every food item there is a partitive article which is repeated depending on the number and gender of the noun. Œuf is plural, which is why it's DES. Lait is masculine, sucre masculine, beurre masculine, which is why all the three of them have DU before them. And farine, flour, feminine, which is why it has the la. Clear? Any doubts so far? Okay. Now the exceptions. I had given the list of exceptions in the last class. Anyone would like to say? Shivani has typed all of the exceptions. Okay, so Shivani, would you like to say them? I'm unmuting you, Shivani. Anyone? Shivani, why don't you unmute yourself? Click on unmute, Shivani. Shivani has mic problem. Anybody else would like to say? Raise your hand. Okay, I'm unmuting Rashi. Rashi, unmute yourself. Rashi, is your mic working? Okay, Rashi doesn't have a mic. Okay. Isha. Okay, Risha has raised hand. Very good. Risha, click on unmute and you'll be able to speak.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, I can hear you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'll start.
Yes, yes, sure.
The fromage,
Very good.
beurre,
Very good.
cafe,
Yes.
tea, T-H-E,
Te. Very good.
tea,
Te. Cafe. Sucre.
sucre,
Very good.
poivre,
Yes.
potage,
Yes.
and concombre.
Perfect. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. Thank you so much, Isha.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Isha has rightly given all the words. Now, you need to know the meaning of all of these words. So, in the chat, let me know the meanings in English. I will say the word and you will put the meaning in the chat. Okay. First one. Burr. What is burr? In the chat, let me know. Very good. Correct. Burr is butter. Very, very good. Okay. Fromage. Next. Fromage. Yes, absolutely correct. Our favorite cheese. Then the next one, sucre. Perfect, absolutely correct. Te, te. Very good. Cafe. Perfect, very good. So far, so good. Then the next one, concombre. Very good. Potage. Correct. Very good. Perfect. Poivre. Excellent. Perfect. So everyone knows the meaning. Very good. It's good to know that you all are studying and you all remember all of these words very well. Now, going ahead, there are some rules. Okay, now these rules are used for partitive articles. All your partitive articles, if you want, you may note it down. Keep a pencil with you or keep a pen with you and write down this rule. Are you ready with a pen and a book? Because you will have to write down. Yes, okay, you are ready. Great. So now remember that so far we talked about when to use partitive articles for food items, beverages. Then there are some words which end in e, exceptions वाले जो फिर भी masculine है वो हमने पढ़ा. But now in some cases, okay, there are some cases where partitive articles are not used. So उसके जगह पे क्या use होगा? Instead of partitive articles, do, the, del apostrophe or des. Instead of these partitive articles, we will use de. Okay, we will use de. Now one of the case is something that you already know. Do you remember in which case partitive articles change to de? Very good, Shivani. Very good, Isha. Along with partitive articles, there's something else also. Yes, very good. Shivani has given the exception as well. Perfect. Good to know you all remember the rules. Along with partitive articles, there's something else as well. Which are those articles along with partitive articles? Yes, correct. Palak. Okay. So I'm going to say the rule once here. We are talking about the second one. Okay. When the sentence is negative, Isha, it's indefinite. Okay, not definite. When the sentence is negative, for example, if the sentence is Antoine Bua the law, I'm putting the sentence in the chat. All right, the sentence will go in the chat, so please pay attention. Read the chats. Antoine Bua the law. Just hold on. Yeah, the sentence is in the chat. Antoine Bua the law. Antoine drinks some water. Now, when you make when you make the same sentence in the negative form, okay, when you're making the sentence in the negative form, firstly you add no and pa, and then you have to make sure that the partitive article converts into de. Shivani, your answer is correct except for the vowel clash. Pay attention to that. Others make the sentence into negative. Let me see if you're able to do. Antoine boit the l'eau. इसका negative करके बताओ. Remember to apply the rule. Add NPA and also change the partitive article to DE. Very good. Shivani has corrected herself. Others, I'm waiting for you to type. Aldrin, no, do not just put the words. Type the whole sentence. Very good. Sakshi has typed it correctly. Shrishti has typed it correctly. Aldrin, please type the whole sentence. Rashi, perfect. But you have to apply the rule as well. The partitive article should change to DE. है ना, the rule says your partitive articles change to de or d apostrophe in a negative sentence. मतलब sentence में जैसे ही न पा आप insert करते हो वैसे ही partitive articles को de या d apostrophe में convert करने का. Aldrin, your no and pa should not go before and after water. No, your no and pa should always sandwich the verb. Verb क्या है यहाँ पे? Samara, your answer is correct, but pay attention to vowels clash and correct yourself. Isha, very good. Yes, Aldrin, now that you've recognized the verb, negative karo अच्छे से, correct yourself in the chat. Samara and Aldrin, I'm waiting for you to correct yourself. Very good. Samara has corrected herself. Aldrin, please correct yourself. Okay. Aldrin, your the should be before water, no? Partitive article को हटा के उधर ही de change करने का. Do not change your change the order of the question. I have put another sentence in the chat. Please make it negative. J'achète des légumes. Make it negative. Let me see. Be careful with the vowels clash. Very good. Shivani is correct. Very good. Palak. Palak, नपा कहाँ गया आपका? Isha correct. Sakshi correct. Aldrin change the DES to DE. Apply the rule. Ved correct. Shrushti correct. Palak correct. Palak vowels clash. Khushi correct. Dian correct. Dian DE change karo. DES to DE. Rashi correct. Aldrin, yes, now it is correct, but you are not copying the question correctly. Legume is with S. Vaishnavi, correct. Very good. Okay, I'll type the answers in the chat. This is the answer for the question that was just typed. Oh, that's gone only to Shivani. I'll have to retype. Just hold on. I am skipping the accents so that I can type faster. Yeah, there it is in the chat. Je n'achète pas de légumes. सो यू टू पे अटेंशन. यहाँ पे मैंने वॉवल्स क्लैश हो रहा है इसलिए एन अपोस्ट्रॉफ को एनी को एन अपोस्ट्रॉफ में चेंज किया एंड डे लेग्यूम को द लेग्यूम किया. इन द प्रीवियस सेंटेंस एंटुआन बुआ द लो को नेगेटिव कैसे किया था? लेट्स सी. एंटुआन न बुआ पा दो. The apostrophe EAU. Okay, that's one again only to Dian. Antoine ne boit pas d'eau. The answer, the previous answer is also in the chat. You may cross check. Antoine ne boit pas d'eau. अभी यहाँ पे D apostrophe था क्योंकि water begins with vowel. D E and EAU लिखते तो EE clash होता. You getting me? So to avoid the clash, DE has changed to D apostrophe. Now you understand when to use DE and when to use D apostrophe. Is that thing clear to you? Yes, all right, great. So remember, your first thing is your partitive articles will change to DE or D apostrophe in a negative sentence. मतलब जैसे ही न पा डाला वैसे partitive articles change हो जाएगा. किसमें change हो जाएगा? DE. Vowels clash हुआ तो D apostrophe. Okay, that's the first thing that you have to remember. Then the next one. Now let's come to the first rule which is mentioned here on this slide. The first rule says when there is a precise quantity with the noun accompanying the noun मतलब एक precise quantity and साथ में कोई food item है. So for example I say I drink a bottle of water. Now when I'm precising it very clearly एकदम क्वांटिटी एकदम स्पेसिफाई कर रही हूँ मैं कि मैंने एक बॉटल पानी पिया है ना. सो व्हेन आई एम सेइंग इट वेरी क्लियर, एक बॉटल इज सेम फॉर मी, यू, एवरीबडी, right? One bottle of water, I drink one bottle of water, Palak drinks, so it's the same, right? When I keep the two bottles and we say that we drank a bottle of water, so the quantity is very precise, it is the same for me and for all of you. When the quantity doesn't vary from person to person, when the quantity is specific enough, when it is precise enough, in that case we use DE and we do not use partitive articles. Just like in English, I say I drank a bottle of water, I drank a bottle of water. I don't say I drink a bottle of the water. Of the water, nahi, of water. I buy a kilo of tomatoes. A kilo of tomatoes. Of. So you see, when the quantity is very much specific, when the quantity is precise, in that case we will use DE. Palak, that is a technical thing. Okay, the box that's coming, it's I'm not doing it. So it will disappear and it will come on its own. That's a technical thing. उधर से ही कुछ technical problem है. Vudre is used in another tense which is not there in your portion, so you can ignore. You can just think that it is ver, VEUX. Okay? Je veux une douzaine de bananes. I want a dozen of bananas. Je veux, VEUX. Let's imagine it's ver, VEUX. I want a dozen of bananas. So you see, a dozen of is same for me, same for you all. The quantity is precise, the quantity is specific. It doesn't change from person to person. A dozen of मेरे लिए जितना है उतना आपके लिए भी है. So when the quantity is precise, specific, clear enough, in that case we will use DE and we will not use partitive articles. Alright, so these are the two rules where you will not use partitive articles. First thing is negative, जो आपको already पता था. Okay, negative में I want to add one more thing class. Partitive articles and even the indefinite articles, दोनों भी change होता है. Indefinite articles क्या है? अयुन दे. All right, so even when you have indefinite articles in a sentence, for example, okay, I'll put that in the chat. Let's see if you are getting it. इसको negative करो. Now you have an indefinite article. तो indefinite article को भी DE में change करना होता है. Remember that and make the sentence negative. Rashi, make it negative as well. आपने DE change किया correct, but at the same time you have to make it negative. वो DE में क्यों change हुआ? Because it's negative. Yes, Shivani is correct. Palak is correct. Isha correct. Ved correct. Samara correct. Please make sure that you write all of these examples in your book. Dian, grond is not a verb ना. यहाँ पे verb avoir है तो avoir के आगे पीछे न पाना चाहिए. सृष्टि correct. Argent is money. Palak, okay? Argent is money. आई विल कम टू दैट. वो एग्जाम्पल मैंने अभी तक लिया नहीं है. शिखा, yes, correct. All right, so I'll type the answer in the chat. That way everyone will get it. So you see, the sentence is Je n'ai pas de grande maison. Je n'ai pas de grande maison. I have made this sentence into negative. वर के आजू बाजू नौपा लगाया, वॉवल स्लैश हुआ, इसीलिए एन अपोस्ट्रोफ में चेंज किया. एंड एट द सेम टाइम indefinite आर्टिकल को भी डीई में चेंज किया. Clear? Any doubt in this sentence? Please let me know if you have any doubt with this sentence. No, very good, no doubt. Very good. So you've understood. So I'm going to repeat the rule. The rule says when the sentence is negative, partitive articles and indefinite articles, both of these articles should change to de for all verbs except etra. Okay. So now I'm going to put etra wala sentence. Let me see. Except etra मतलब हम लोग ने जो रूल पढ़ा ना, जब एत्रा आया सेंटेंस में तो ये रूल अप्लाई नहीं करने का. So even though you're making it negative, you will not change the partitive article or the indefinite article to de. Make this negative. अभी मैंने जो chat में डाला, let me see if you're getting it. Very good, Shivani. Perfect. Ved, very good. Very good, Sakshi. Very good, Isha. Perfect, Shikha. Aldrin, correct. Rashi, correct. Dian, your NERPA should go in correct places. Huh? Pom is not a verb. Pom मतलब apple होता है. Is apple a verb? Nope. Very good, Palak. So, Dian, I'm typing sentence for you. I'll put the negative one in the chat for you. Sanepa yun pom. Yes, Vaishnavi, your answer is correct. Sanepa yun pom. So you see, मैंने नपा कहाँ डाला? एत्र के पहले and एत्र के बाद. Because there is एत्र in a sentence, मैंने यून को de में change नहीं किया. Understood? So the rule says partitive articles and indefinite articles. Partitive मतलब you, the, la, del, apostrophe, des. Indefinite मतलब ayun, de. So partitive and indefinite articles should change to de or d apostrophe. Should change to de or d apostrophe for all verbs except etra. Okay, मतलब etra जैसे ही statement में आया, do not apply this rule. Rule does not apply to this kind of sentence when there is etra. ऑल राइट. नाउ द प्रिसाइज क्वांटिटी वाला रूल, उसका एग्जांपल चेक कर लेते हैं. Pour preparer un gâteau, on met une tasse de lait, une tasse de lait, a cup of milk, है ना, बिकॉज द क्वांटिटी इज प्रिसाइज, स्पेसिफिक, एकदम क्लियर है. अ कप ऑफ रिमेन सेम फॉर एवरीबडी. मेरे लिए भी अ कप ऑफ मिल्क उतना ही है जितना आपके लिए है. सो यू सी, व्हेन द क्वांटिटी इज प्रिसाइज, स्पेसिफिक, क्लियर, इट रिमेन्स द सेम फॉर एवरीवन. तो डीई, अ कप ऑफ मिल्क, डीई यूज किया, पार्टिटिव नहीं यूज किया, नोट डाउन. देन द नेक्स्ट वन, इन 250 grams of flour. So 250 grams of, again एकदम स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी है. 250 grams of the flour name, 250 grams of flour. Okay. Next one, je voudrais, okay, je veux une douzaine de bananes. I want a dozen of bananas, a dozen of. Okay, the quantity is precise, specific, clear, इसलिए हमने de use किया and partitive नहीं. Shivani is asking what is why here, why is it the lay? कौन सा वाला सेंटेंस में the lay है शिवानी? यून तास द एडवर्ब ऑफ क्वांटिटी है ना, प्रिसाइज क्वांटिटी है. अ कप ऑफ मिल्क. डू यू गेट मी? अ कप ऑफ एकदम प्रिसाइज क्वांटिटी है, इसके लिए हमने डी यूज किया. सो दैट्स द रूल. द रूल सेज व्हेन द क्वांटिटी इज प्रिसाइज, स्पेसिफिक, क्लियर, एकदम क्लियरली बोला है तास, अ कप, in that case you will use de and not partitive articles. समझा? देर आर टू रूल्स सो फार जहाँ पे डी यूज होता है. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज एडवर्ब ऑफ क्वांटिटीज, जहाँ पे क्वांटिटी स्पेसिफिक है, क्लियर है, प्रिसाइज है, सबके लिए क्वांटिटी सेम रहता है. अ कप ऑफ इज सेम फॉर मी एज द कप ऑफ इज फॉर यू. ओके, इट डजंट चेंज, इट्स is the same, the quantity remains the same when I say a cup of milk. So in that case, I will use DE. Then the next one was negative sentence में partitive and indefinite should change to DE. यहाँ पे exception है एत्र. All right. Now there is third rule as well. Although the third rule is not very much for partitive articles, but it is again a DE rule. इसलिए let's do the DE rule along with these two DE. So far we've done the one and the two. The one on the slide is precise quantity. Okay, the one matlab the का rule number one, the two matlab the का rule number two. Clear? So the one rule says precise quantity के लिए डी यूज करेंगे. The two rule says negative वाले sentence में हम डी यूज करेंगे partitive and indefinite को हटा के. Of course exception है एत्र. And the last one is before a plural adjective. जब सेंटेंस में प्लूरल एडजेक्टिव होता है तभी हम DES नहीं यूज करेंगे. इंस्टेड वी विल यूज DE. राइट डाउन दिस रूल इन द बुक. DES changes to DE. Rule number 3. The 3. DE. The 3. The 3 rule says yes 13 adjectives के पहले का. Very good Shivani, understood this. So the 13 adjectives के पहले 13 plural होने चाहिए. हाँ, plural adjective के पहले DES should change to DE. So let's take an example. All right. When I say j'ai une grande maison. Okay, let's try and make this sentence into plural. ये plural में करके बताओ मुझे. And when you are making it plural, apply this rule. Plural adjective के पहले DES को हटा के DE लिखना. Okay. So you make this into plural and you will understand ये rule क्या है. Let me see if you are understanding. Type the answer for this one. Very good Shivani, perfect. You have to remember Shivani, maison also takes S. Shikha, your answer is correct except allons नहीं ना शिखा. nous avons. avoir का conjugation nu form में avons है. मनस्वी forms नहीं, allons नहीं. It's avons. And Shikha, the rule says DES changes to DE before a plural adjective. यहाँ पे ग्रॉन plural में लिखा आपने तो DES को हटा के D लिखना था. मनस्वी, your answer is correct except सॉम को हटा के avons होना चाहिए. Samara correct. Shivani correct. Waiting for more people to type. Shikha correct. Make sure you put these examples in your book. Write down these examples in your group, in your book. Sakshi, your answer is correct, but grand also should be with S, na Sakshi? Nous avons the, grand with S, maison with S. Grand को भी S लगाओ Sakshi. Very good. Isha correct. Ved correct. Yes, this will happen for those 13 adjectives. पलक ये adjectives वाले rule है. Okay, it doesn't come under partitive, but because we are discussing DE वाले rules, इसके लिए मैंने ये DE वाला इधर add कर दिया है. Okay. Aldrin, your answer is correct, but grand should take S, maison should take S, and DES should change to DE. आपने सिर्फ nous avons correctly लिखा है. The grand maison, last 3 words incorrect है. I am typing the answer in the chat for all those who need correction. Nous avons. J changes to nous avons. Yun should change to DES. You are right. But because उसके बाजू में grand has become S, plural adjective हो गया, इसके लिए DES has changed to DE. Maison with S. Understood this rule, everyone? Anyone, any doubt with this rule? So there are 3 the rules. I repeat, the one for specific quantity. For example, a cup of, a bottle of, a glass of, a dozen of, a kilo of. ये सब के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? DE. The one. Precise quantities के लिए. The two negative sentence में partitive and indefinite should change to DE or D apostrophe for all verbs except एत्र. And third वाला plural adjective के पहले DES changes to DE. Are all the 3 rules clear? The 1, the 2, the 3. Any doubt in any of the rules? 3 rules किया हमने DE वाला. And all of these DE rules are very, very important. All the 3 rules are very important. Any doubt in any of these DE rules? The 1, the 2, the 3. No doubt. Palak says no doubt. Others, is it clear for you all? Yes. Isha says no doubt. All right. So now let's sum up everything. Partitive articles were due, dollar, del apostrophe, des. फिर उसमें हम लोग ने exceptions पढ़ा जहाँ पे food item, जो food item था, those food items will take du even though they end in e. exceptions पढ़े थे ना, due beurre, due fromage and so on, वो list पढ़ा था. उसके बाद 3 DE rules किया हमने. Rule number 1, precise quantity के लिए a glass of, a cup of, a bottle of, उसके लिए DE. सेकेंड वाला नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में, व्हेन अ सेंटेंस इज नेगेटिव, पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल्स एंड इंडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल्स चेंज टू डीई. पार्टिटिव एंड इंडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल्स चेंज टू डीई in a negative sentence except etc. And the last one, plural adjective के पहले des changes to de. Clear? Now keeping all of this in mind, let's have a small test. Are you ready? Do you need a minute to go through everything or do you want to directly start with the test? Let me know in the chat. Okay, 1 minute. All right. Go through everything that you have, and in a minute, we will have a small test. Okay, Srushti says done. Others, shall we start? Palak, are you ready? Okay, Manasvi says yes. Palak says yes. Isha says start. Okay, let's start then. The questions will be on the screen. The answers should go in the chat. फर्स्ट वन, ले के लिए क्या टाइप करोगे? या वेरी गुड क्लास, रिमेंबर आप वर्ड भी टाइप करो साथ में. खाली डी यू लिखोगे तो आई विल नॉट नो डी यू कौन से वर्ड के लिए लिखा है. सो राइट द फूड आइटम अलोंग विद द पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल एंड डू नॉट गो अहेड. फर्स्ट वन, सिर्फ फर्स्ट वन टाइप करो अभी. वेरी गुड, ऑल ऑफ यू आर करेक्ट. इट्स ड्यूले. परफेक्ट, एक्सेलेंट, ड्यूले. सेकेंड वाला सैलेड के लिए. वेरी गुड पलक. समारा, डू नॉट गो अहेड. सैलेड, सैलेड है सेकेंड वाला. इट्स गोइंग हॉरिजॉन्टल. नंबर 2 देखो. नंबर 4 इज ओ. Read the question. We are doing the second one. The la salad, correct. Very good, Isha. Very good, Shivani. Okay. The third one, frui. Okay, very good. All of you are correct so far. It is de frui. What was very important here is to remember it's ending in S. जो आपने अच्छे से note down किया. Very good. Fourth one, O. Perfect. Good going. Keep it up. Very good. All of you are correct so far. The fifth one, choose the frui, fruit juice. Very good. Perfect. The sixth one, pule. Very good. Very good. So far, so good. Perfect. Seventh one, fromage. Very good. Very, very good. Perfect. Isha, due fromage. Due. D-E nahi, huh? Due. Rest of the answers are correct. Seventh one, crepe. Pay attention. Crepe, although it's given feminine in the bracket, it's ending in S. अच्छे से देखो. Very good. Very good. Very good. So far, all of you are correct. Ninth one, pa. Very good. राहुल डी नहीं डी यू आएगा. आर्यन डी नहीं डी यू. खुशी डी नहीं डी यू. इट्स मैस्कुलिन नो, तो द्यूपा. एंड द लास्ट वन, वा. ये तो सबको मालूम है. व्हाट डज वा मीन, डू यू ऑल नो? देख शिवानी सबसे पहले बोली. वेरी गुड, शिवानी को एकदम अच्छे से मालूम है. वेरी मच एक्सपीरियंस्ड. यस ईशा. Yes, you are right, Aldrin. Everyone is correct. Wine is wine. सबसे पहले शिवानी ने बोला, एकदम फट से बोला. वेरी गुड शिवानी. Okay. So all the 10 words I will repeat. Du lait, de la salade, des fruits, de l'eau, D-L apostrophe, du jus de fruits, du poulet, du fromage, des crêpes, D-E-S, du pain, D-U, and du vin. All right? All the 10 words clear to you? Shall we go ahead with another test? Yes, all right. So the next one, this is exactly what I just said. The next one. Now what you will do is write number 1, first answer, comma, second answer. ऐसा लिखो. First one लिखो. Then type the first answer, comma, second answer. Okay, very good. Shivani, अच्छे से read करो sentence. No, write the numbers as well. Aldrin, I will not know आप किसके लिए type कर रहे हो. Shivani, read the question carefully. Your answer is wrong. Aldrin, your answer is wrong. तो अभी तक सृष्टि का आंसर करेक्ट आया. पलक, रीड द क्वेश्चन करेक्टली. शिवानी, देयर आर 2 ब्लैंक्स. आपने एक ही ब्लैंक का आंसर डाला. मनस्वी, नो, प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन करेक्टली. राशि, रीड द क्वेश्चन. Aldrin, read the question. Rahul, read the question. Shivani, correct. Very good. Shivani is now correct. Ved is also correct. Very good. Shivani, Ved, Sakshi are correct so far. Samara, yes, but half the answer is given. What about the other blank? Okay, now read the question very carefully, class. I will tell you why you are going wrong. Je voudrais. चलो, voudrais हमको नहीं मालूम, so we will make it VEUX. Je veux. Okay, je veux. Un kilo de, un kilo of. Precise quantity है ना, तो DE in the first one. Une bouteille de, a bottle of. Again precise quantity. So दोनों भी blanks में your answer should have been DE. Clear? Understood why DU is wrong? Everyone clear? A kilo the, yun butay the, a kilo of, a bottle of. Because it's precise quantity हमने DE use किया है दोनों भी blanks में for the first one. Now read the second one carefully and answer properly. अच्छे से read करो. So far Srushti has given the correct answer. Ved has given the correct answer. Only Srushti, Ved. No, Shivani. Palak, read the question. Shivani, read the question. Manasvi, read the question. Aldrin, read the question. Rahul, read the question. Samara, read the. Isha, correct. Very good, Isha. Okay, let's correct you now. Shivani, no. Let's check why you are going wrong. Manasvi has typed correctly. Very good. Rashi has typed correctly. Excellent. Okay, for those who've got wrong, let's see why it is wrong. Okay, first one, prawn de carrot. Okay, ये तो clear था क्योंकि carrot is with S. All right, तो de carrot हमने लिखा, ये correct है. मैं नाशेत पा नेगेटिव हो गया तो नाशेत पा द टोमाट DE नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आया तो हमने DE लिखा. क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट ब्लैंक इज DE है, सेकंड वाला ब्लैंक इज DE बिकॉज ऑफ द नेगेटिव नोपा देयर. All right, clear? Second one now. No, Palak. It depends. The sentence is divided into 2 parts. Take some carrots, but do not take any tomatoes. So you see, do not take what? Do not take any tomatoes. DE generally means any. Okay. Take some carrots. Some बोला मैंने मतलब partitive use करूंगी मैं. Prawns, prawn de carrot may nashet pa the tomat. Take some carrots, but do not take any tomatoes or do not buy any tomatoes. The next one, again be careful. Sakshi, read the question carefully. Most of you are giving only half the answer correct. Shrushti is correct. Very good. Shrushti is correct so far. Ved is correct. Shrushti and Ved are correct so far for the third one. Read the question, class. You know the answer. It's just that you're not reading carefully. No, only Shrushti and Ved are correct so far. Very good. Rashi is correct. One more. Very good. Rashi correct. Okay, let's discuss for those who are going wrong. First one, voci du gato. Du gato, because we know gato is masculine. Samara correct, yes. And une tasse de chocolat. Une tasse de, a cup of hot chocolate. A cup of है ना, it is adverb of quantity, precise quantity, specific quantity, इसलिए de in the second half. Okay, so see, read the question carefully and you will understand. It is easy. Yes, Rahul, फिर भी आप wrong answers दे रहे हो. It means you're not reading the question carefully. All of you know the answers. It is quite easy, but you're not reading. Take your time to read the question carefully and then answer. Do not be in hurry to answer because you may lose marks. All of these questions are very easy. All exercise number 1 and 2 clear. Shall we go ahead with next test? और एक टेस्ट लिखोगे, इस बार अच्छे से लिखना, नो मिस्टेक्स. ओके, या सो there are the questions in the chat. There are the questions on the screen. Put the answers in the chat. अभी I will tell you the word. आप word भी डालना साथ में. डैश पा, पहले सिर्फ पा के लिए लिखना. Very good, correct. Palak D, somebody has written D. Who is that? It's not Palak. Okay. Okay, Palak corrected herself later. All right. So far, everyone is correct. Aryan, the pani, dupa. Okay, dupa. I'm putting the answers also here on the screen so that you can rectify yourself. Dash burr. Dash burr. Very, very good. All of you are correct so far. You remember very well. Burr is ending in E. फिर भी du क्यों लिखा याद है? Do you remember why du? What's the reason? Exception. Very good, Shivani. So du burr. Dash confiture. De la confiture. Very good. Very, very good. Dash croissant. Confiture is jam, Isha. Confiture मतलब jam. Very good for croissant also. All of you are correct. That was quite easy. De croissant because it's ending in S. So that is correct. The next one. Dash juice the fruit. ये तो हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Juice the fruit. Okay, second वाला आंसर खुद से आ गया, but I'm sure you knew this. Dew cafe. Dew cafe. Dash lay. Dash lay. Very good, very, very good. Dew lay. Isha, the nahi dew. And dash chocolat show. Dash chocolat show. Type the food item also. How will I know dew आप किसके लिए type कर रहे हो? Shushti correct, Ved correct, Manasvi correct. Palak correct, yes. It's dew chocolat show and dew lay. So if I give you the translation ना बहुत भूख लगेगा. It says he eats some bread with some butter and some jam and some croissants, and then he drinks fruit juice and also coffee and milk and hot chocolate. Oh my god, कितना खाता है ये? And that is all just for breakfast, हाँ? ओ पति देजुनेर, ये खाली ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए इतना सारा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वाला अभी वो बंदा लंच टाइम है. सो ही इज हैविंग हिज लंच एंड लंच में इतना सारा खा रहा है वो. लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट वन, पूले. वेरी गुड. ऑल ऑफ यू आर करेक्ट. इट्स ड्यू पूले, करेक्ट. लेग्यूम के लिए क्या यूज करोगे? ओ, द आंसर आ गया. का नसीब. वेरी गुड. बट आई एम श्योर यू न्यू दिस आंसर. व्हाट इज लेग्यूम्स? एनीबॉडी नोस? Yeah, vegetables. Very good. Fromage, cheese. Yes, correct. Very good. And fruit. Fruit के लिए कौन सा यूज करोगे? Yes, please write the food item as well so that I know. So now it's the lunch time, and what is he having? Poulet is. Does anyone know what's poulet? Yes, very good, Shivani. So he is having chicken, vegetables, cheese, and fruits. Okay. So except chicken, everything is tasty for me because I'm vegetarian. Next, he drinks dash. Duva, very good. Duva. So he is having white wine with the meal, and at the end of the meal, he is having cafe sans lait. Cafe sans lait के लिए क्या use करोगे? Dew, very good. Dew cafe sans lait. So Duva and Dew cafe. So you see, for lunch, what is he having? Chicken, vegetables, cheese, fruits, white wine with the meal, and at the end, he is having coffee without milk. Oh my God. अभी भूख लग रही है. Now it's dinner time. So what all is having? Let's see. Dash soup. Dash soup. सृष्टि soup is ending in e ना, तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? Pay attention. Change your answer. एक ही दिन में इतना सारा खा रहा है, पेट दुखेगा इसका, है ना? अपने को छोड़ के खा रहा है. So yes, the la soup is correct. Dash baguette. Very good, very good. So far, all of you are going fine. Correct. नहीं पलक, the cafe क्यों दो cafe? The sentence is not negative. Yeah. So the la soup, the la baguette. फिर salad तो फिर से repeat हुआ है. I'm sure you know the answer for this. Salad के लिए क्या use करोगे? Yes, correct. Fromage. Next, fromage. And oh my God, he is having gato as well. अभी सच में पानी आ रहा है मुंह में. So dinner के लिए il mange bien. He is eating well. वो तो पता ही है, दिख रहा ही है. What all is he having? He is having soup. He is having French long bread. He is having salad, cheese and cake. Oh my God. अभी पीना तो और बाकी है, ये तो वो खा रहा है. Okay, so after his dinner is done, अभी क्या क्या पीता है वो? He is having vin rouge. What is vin rouge? Red wine. Yes. ये सब शिवानी को अच्छे से मालूम है. शिवानी बहुत पीती है लगता है. शिवानी के पास स्टॉक है लगता है. So vin rouge, yes, it is due vin rouge, and finally to end he has te. तो रेड वाइन एंड फिर मील खत्म होते ही वो चाय पीता है. ड्यू ते. यस. ओके. So did you have fun listening to all the food items? खा तो नहीं पाए, but at least you knew now what all he is having for his breakfast, lunch, dinner, cake, hot chocolate, and so on. Wow, cheese. All right, what will you use for pizza? Do you all know pizza के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, Palak, I forgot to display the answers. So there it goes in the screen. पिज्जा के लिए yes, very good. Remember पिज्जा के लिए दला यूज करेंगे. Dala pizza. Note down if you do not know. Rashi, quiche is like pizza, but not exactly pizza. Okay, it looks like pizza, but it is not pizza. It's a specialty of France. All right, so let's go ahead. और एक last test लिखते हैं. आई एम श्योर जैसे ही लेक्चर खत्म होगा वैसे ही आप मम्मी को बोलोगे अच्छा अच्छा खाना दो. खुशी, pour terminer is to end. To end the meal, he has tea at the end of the meal. Okay. First one, mangez-vous dash pain au petit déjeuner? Mangez-vous? Yes, du pain, correct. And the next one, il ne boit pas dash vin. Il ne boit pas. Read carefully. Il ne boit pas. Yes, a BDE क्योंकि नेगेटिव है. Then the next one, पॉम के पहले. Very good. Are there some apples on the table? Some apples. So DES, plural. J'ai soif. I am thirsty. I want to drink some water. Very good, Shivani. The low, correct. Very, very good. The ला नहीं एल्ड्रिन वॉवल क्लैश होगा तो हम DEL apostrophe लिखेंगे. ओके. एंड द लास्ट वन, ओके आंसर डिस्प्ले हो गया है. सो रिमेंबर लास्ट वन क्या है, दला, बिकॉज इट इज फेमिनिन. कॉन्फिट्यूर इज विद ई, तो हमने दला लिखा. ओके, एवरीथिंग क्लियर सो फार? विद दिस वी हैव फिनिश्ड पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल्स. सबको सब कुछ समझा? एनी डाउट एनीबडी? No doubt. Okay. Now we have last 15 minutes and I will start with the next topic. It's a very small topic. You can relax till the time I share the screen and think about all the good food that you're going to get after the class. Pav bhaji, vada pav and what not. और क्या चाहिए डिमांड लिस्ट बना के रखो तब तक. Then I will like to hear. Okay, just hold on. I'm sharing the screen. Palak, you can put in the chat. I'll answer your question. लिस्ट बनावा खाने का. आई वांट टू हियर तुम लोग को क्या क्या खाना है. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Let me know if it's visible to you. Palak, hold on. I'll read your doubt. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so Palak, ka question is the list that you had given of exceptions. Yes, yes, Palak. DE तो खाली नेगेटिव के लिए यूज होता है. Okay, and okay, Palak, I'm unmuting you because I'm not quite understanding what you have typed. So it's better you ask me here. Uh, you may click on unmute, Palak.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes. Good evening. How are you, Palak?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good, Palak. Yes.
Teacher, my doubt is the list that you had given of the 8 words. Is it like we changed it to G only while negative sentences, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, and teacher, in the last slide, you showed that do win actually changes to the win in negative. So in that way, all the verbs actually change to negative. So why these 8 are different?
पलक वो लिस्ट के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं, फर्स्टली मुझे वो बता. वो मैंने लिस्ट अलग से क्यों दिया आपको?
We use DE for like they. Uh, oh,
हम लोग
they
उसके
end with E.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं?
Dala.
नो पलक. सो द थिंग इज वो एक्सेप्शन में है क्योंकि वो सब ई से एंड होते हैं, करेक्ट? तो
हाँ
एक्चुअली दला यूज होना चाहिए था,
हाँ
बट
हाँ
बिकॉज
but
ऑल ऑफ
use
दोज 8
D.
वर्ड्स आर मैस्कुलिन, तो इवन दो
Okay.
दे एंड इन ई, दे टेक डी यू.
Okay.
समझा पलक? वो 8
Yes.
वर्ड्स या 9 वर्ड्स जो मैंने दिए हैं वो डी यू
Okay.
लेते हैं.
Actually, that is for D. I got confused. I thought that these verbs are for negative, so then why not the
नो
rest?
नो, इट्स नॉट फॉर नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव के लिए तो सब, कोई भी वर्ड आया सेंटेंस नेगेटिव हुआ तो आप डी में चेंज करोगे. फॉर ऑल एक्सेप्ट एत्र, सेंटेंस में एत्र हुआ तो रूल अप्लाई नहीं होगा.
Okay. Okay, teacher. Thank you.
यस, मोस्ट वेलकम. ऑल राइट, एनीबडी एल्स, एनी अदर डाउट? इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर फॉर यू इन पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल्स? Yeah. Am I audible, class, now? Can you hear me? Yes. Okay, मेरा audio disconnect हो गया था. Now, so did you make your list? What all would you like to have? अपने खाने पीने का लिस्ट बनाया? Put in the chat. Let's see. Samara is saying yes, yes. Okay, Aldrin says biryani. Wow, nice. Chinese bale. Oh my God. Shivani says मुझे सब कुछ चलेगा but only veg. Okay, Shivani, I am with you. मुझे भी सब कुछ चलेगा but only veg. Anything else? कुछ specific? Tandoori. Aldrin says tandoori. Isha says everything non-veg. Okay. Okay, Isha. That's it. I thought और बहुत कुछ आएगा डिमांड में. Sandwich, pizza, मैगी, बर्गर, चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम. आइसक्रीम तो बोला ही नहीं किसी ने. डेजर्ट नहीं चाहिए? केक नहीं चाहिए? Isha says I'm already hungry. Okay, okay, okay. So let's continue with the class. But then remember, ये वाला लिस्ट आप बना के रखो. एक दिन सब खाएंगे, पार्टी करेंगे. All right. Uh, we are going to start with adverbs. All right. Now, adverbs is something that is very, very easy. अभी आज की क्लास के लिए we will do only one rule. Okay, only one rule because I don't think I'll be able to finish much. तो last time जैसे partitive का एक rule किया था हमने, वैसे ही हम adverb का एक rule करके stop करेंगे. So you have to remember class की adverbs are used to describe verbs. इसलिए उसको adverbs बोलते हैं. They add more information to the verb. Verb को ज्यादा describe करते हैं. For example, I say Palak speaks softly. तो how does she speak softly? You see, verb को describe हुआ है. The way she speaks soft. है ना? So whenever you have more information on the verb, it means it is an adverb. An adverb will give you more information on the verb. It will give some more information to any verb. To it will give some addition to the verb. See, adverbs describe verb or they tell you more about them. I walk slowly because I'm old. So how do I walk? I walk slowly. So the action you see, how is it happening? Slowly. Anything that describes the verb or tells you more about the verb or anything that adds some information to the verb, then it is always an adverb. That's why it's adverb. Some more information, additional information on the verb, adverb. Clear? Just like how adjectives describe the noun. वैसे ही adverbs describe the verbs. Clear? Adverbs describe verbs. Adjectives describe noun. Okay, हम adjectives के बारे में अभी बात नहीं करेंगे. Adverbs describe verbs. ये याद रखो. So see the examples. Janine marche lentement. Janine walks slowly. See how does she walk? Slowly. The action कैसे हो रहा है? Slowly. Les élèves répondent poliment. The students reply politely. How are they replying? The way of replying is polite. So you see politely, slowly, easily. ऐसे टेल मी वन थिंग नाउ. एडवर्ब्स इंग्लिश में जनरली किस में एंड होता है? हमने अभी तो दो देखा, स्लोली, पोलाइटली. वेरी गुड पलक, वेरी गुड. सो आई एम श्योर एवरीवन इज अवेयर ऑफ दिस. इन इंग्लिश द एडवर्ब्स विल यूजुअली एंड इन एल वाई. इंग्लिश में, हाँ इंग्लिश में. तो जैसे इंग्लिश में एडवर्ब्स एल वाई से एंड होता है, वैसे ही फ्रेंच में एडवर्ब्स यूजुअली एंड इन एम ई एन टी. याद रखो. ओके. So first thing that we have done is adverbs describe verb. Second thing, adverbs in English end in ly. वैसे ही adverbs in French they end in ment. Clear? Now adverbs बनाते कैसे हैं हम? तो adverbs बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले हमको adjective लगेगा. जैसे इंग्लिश में भी हमको adjective लगता है. See, Janine walks slowly. तो slow क्या है? Adjective. फिर adjective को adverb में convert करने के लिए हमने ly लगाया. तो हम लोग को बेस क्या चाहिए एडवर्ब बनाने के लिए? एडजेक्टिव तो चाहिए पहले. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो जब भी हमको एडवर्ब बनाना है तो सबसे पहले हमको एडजेक्टिव लगेगा. स्लो, स्लोली, स्लो एडजेक्टिव, स्लोली एडवर्ब. पोलाइट एडजेक्टिव, पोलाइटली एडवर्ब. इजी एडजेक्टिव, इजीली एडवर्ब. So you see, we will always need an adjective to make an adverb. समझा? Now, इंग्लिश में हम ly लगाते हैं, वैसे ही हम फ्रेंच में ment लगाएंगे, but that's not it. Remember, adverbs बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले you need adjective, फिर second step is you have to convert that adjective into the feminine form. Yes, Shivani, yes, your answer is right. मैंने आपका chat पढ़ा. So let's get back to this. Adverbs बनाने के लिए you will need adjective, फिर adjective को feminine form में convert करने का. जैसे ही वो feminine form में convert हो जाता है, उसके बाद उसको ment लगाने का. Clear? So see the example. Curio का feminine form x changes to sc. फिर उसको एडवर्ब बनाने के लिए हमने ment लगाया. चेक द 3 कॉलम्स दैट आर गिवन बिलो. क्यूरियो इज एन एडजेक्टिव, इट्स इन द मैस्कुलिन फॉर्म. उसको फेमिनिन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया, एक्स को एसी में चेंज किया, एंड देन फाइनली हमने ment लगाया. सो दैट्स हाउ योर एडवर्ब इज फ्रेम्ड हियर. सेकेंड वन, पारफे. पारफे को फेमिनिन करने के लिए ई लगाया एंड देन फिर ment लगाया टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एडवर्ब. सर्टेन, ई लगाया फिर ment. लॉन्ट, ई लगाया फिर ment. So basically rule number 1 says you will need an adjective, after which you will have to convert it into feminine, and then you have to add ment. Clear everyone so far? Rule number 1 is clear. Now everyone should have all of this in the notebook, right? Write down. First thing, adverbs describe verbs. Adverbs describe verbs. Adverbs describe verbs. Then next, to form an adverb, to form an adverb, to form an adverb, follow the rules given below. To form an adverb, follow the rules given below. Rule number 1, take an adjective, convert it into feminine form, and then add ment. Take an adjective, convert it into feminine form, and then add ment. एडजेक्टिव लेने का, टेक एन एडजेक्टिव, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फेमिनिन एंड ऐड ment. एडजेक्टिव लेने का, फेमिनिन में चेंज करने का, उसको ment लगाने का. अंडरस्टूड? अभी एग्जांपल लिखो. क्यूरियस, क्यूरियसली. परफेक्ट, परफेक्टली. सर्टेन, सर्टेनली. स्लो, स्लोली. द 4 एग्जांपल्स दैट आर गिवन हियर, उसका मीनिंग्स मैंने बताया. नोट डाउन द वर्ड्स विद द मीनिंग्स. ऐसे 3 कॉलम लिखना एंड 4th कॉलम में मीनिंग लिखना. 3 कॉलम. फर्स्ट कॉलम हैज एडजेक्टिव, सेकंड कॉलम हैज इट्स फेमिनिन फॉर्म, थर्ड कॉलम हैज द एडवर्ब फॉर्म, एंड 4th कॉलम शुड हैव मीनिंग. Finish writing and let me know. Finish writing? Done. Samara says done. Okay, Samara, I'm unmuting you. Is everyone else done? Okay, till then Samara will answer my questions. Samara, click on unmute.
Hello, miss. Good evening.
Good evening, Samara. Samara, why do we use adverbs? Can you tell me?
Miss, sorry, can you repeat the question, please?
Why do we use adverbs?
Miss, we use adverbs to put more effect to the sentence.
No, Samara. Samara, there is a lot of disturbance from your end, so I will pass on the question to somebody else, okay? You listen to them. If you still don't get it, you will let me know. Isha is asking me to repeat the meanings. So I'll repeat. Curiously, curious more, curiously. Yes, Lisha has answered in the chat. Palak has answered in the chat. Very good. Parfait, parfaitement. Perfect, perfectly. Certain, certainly. Slow, slowly. All right, Palak, I'm unmuting you since you've answered in the chat and you say done. It means you're done writing as well.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Palak, why do we use adverbs?
To describe verbs or to give more emphasis as to what kind of action is going on.
Very good. So adverbs are used to describe or tell you something more about the verb. Very good, Palak. Adverbs in English end in what?
ly,
And in French they end in?
ment,
Adverbs बनाने के लिए क्या लगता है आपको?
adjective.
Very good, excellent. Now, what is the first rule to make
For
adverb?
first you have to take an adjective, then you have to make it feminine, and then you have to add ment.
ओके अभी जो चार एग्जांपल्स दिया है नीचे बॉक्स में उसका मीनिंग्स बता दो जल्दी पलक.
First one I'm not sure. I think it is curious. Second is perfect. Third is certain, and fourth one I'm not sure.
लॉन्थ लॉन्थ इज लो.
No, okay.
ओके आपने एडजेक्टिव्स का मीनिंग बताया.
हाँ.
व्हाट अबाउट द लास्ट कॉलम क्यूरियस मो परफेक्ट मो एडवर्ब्स
Uh,
बताओ ट्रांसलेट करके.
Curiously, perfectly, certainly, and low. I don't know what lowly is not a word. So,
लो स्लोली.
just slowly. Okay, it's slow, slowly.
ओके ईशा डिड यू गेट ऑल द मीनिंग? थैंक यू पलक, वेरी वेल आंसर्ड. ईशा डिड यू गेट ऑल द मीनिंग्स नाउ? Yes, okay. Anyone, any doubt? We will stop here if you do not have any doubt. We can enjoy our dinner. अच्छा अच्छा खाना पीना खा पी सकते हैं. We are done with the class. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, no doubt. We'll stop here. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Have a good night.